Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed a tutorial on this balm hair. If you guys are interested in watching the tutorial, keep on watching. So I'm out of oil sheen, so I'm gonna be using a little bit of Got To Be. I'm out of spritz and oil sheen, so I just went ahead and used some Got To Be free spray and some spritz, and that kind of does the job already. So I'm gonna be styling this hair with 2 braids. I'm gonna zoom the camera back out some. So this is how the hair looks before I braid it. I can't remember the curl pattern. I think this is water wave. I'm not too sure, but I think it's water wave. I'm gonna zoom back, so I'm gonna stand back so you guys can see how long the hair falls. So this is a 30-inch. So this is a 30-inch frontal wig, and I'm just gonna put my hair to the side and show you guys right here how long it is. And it comes a little bit down past my waist. And if I show you guys the back, it falls to like under, in between my booty. So like right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and begin just doing my 2 braids. Y'all, I hope everybody's staying safe and inside and clean. This quarantine has me going crazy. I haven't had my hair done in like forever, but that's just me being lazy. So I'm so glad that I could finally do my hair. I mean, I could have been did it, I just wasn't doing it. So I'm glad I finally got out of my lazy mode and I was able to do my hair. I'm gonna brush out the hair because while braiding it, if it's tangled, it's just gonna like mess up. I don't have on any nails. I haven't had nails on in a minute, so it is way easier for me to do these 2 braids. So if you guys don't know how to braid to your scalp or like do cornrows, I promise you, I cannot explain to y'all how to get this look. You gotta ask somebody to, you know, braid for you. But yeah, I'm just going back some and I'm pulling the hairs, and I'm basically gonna go like that. And I think I'm gonna stop right there, and I'm gonna just braid the ends. And I'm like gonna braid halfway out. I never do like a full complete braid on my hair. No specific reason, I just don't braid it all the way. And then voila. That's braid one. And now I'm gonna braid the other side. It was like these just I'm gonna go ahead and begin to braid this side. So this is a 30-inch frontal wig from this is a 30-inch frontal wig. So basically it's a frontal wig. So the front is basically a frontal, so it's like a 20. It's kind of like a custom unit. Basically the front is, all right, this braid is not for me on this side, but I'm gonna keep going. So the front is basically a frontal, and the back part of the wig is basically bundles. So the front is like a 20-inch frontal, and it's made into a wig. I'm trying to braid and talk. Yeah, so it's basically made into a wig, and basically the back of the hair is bundles, and it's 30 inches. So that's why the front sometimes appears short. Up here is a tad bit short. So yeah, this is how it looks. Of course, I think I'm gonna rebraid this one. I'm gonna rebraid this one because this one's kind of going back more, and I like how this one's just coming to the side down more. It looks a bit cuter. It falls cuter on my face. So I'm gonna retangle that. So far, this is the hair at its natural texture too. I haven't done anything but really like brush it out and stuff, but I'm thinking about it, and I'm probably going to style it a different way tomorrow, because tomorrow I plan on filming a makeup look. So I'm probably going to style it some other way tomorrow. But yeah, this hair is so pretty. Like, I'm not gonna wet it up with anything. I'm just gonna put some of my leave-in moisturizer on it. Yeah, this matches it way better. This looks way better. Yeah, this is more me. My little braids. Y'all know I've done this hairstyle a dozen times on me. If you guys are new to my channel, this is probably your first time seeing it, but if you guys are regulars, you know this is, in fact, I have like a viral picture that like majority hair companies have stolen with this hairstyle. So now I'm gonna zoom out. Alright, y'all. So I needed something to make me sit a bit higher, which this kind of barely works. I'm gonna fold it into, because I really want y'all to get, it's kind of, now you can see my rolls or whatever, but I just want y'all to see all of it. So I'm going to be using this Lotta Body. I think I talked about this on my channel before, but this is the Lotta Body with coconut and shea oil Fortify Me straightening leave-in conditioner. And this basically straightens and conditions, helps prevent breakage, detangles and adds shine, and it's supposed to be for all hair types. But I'm going to use this on like any hair that has curls or any type of waves to it. So yeah. And I'm only going to spray like a little bit on here just to give the curls like a a shine to it and wet up the texture. But y'all, usually water wave hair that I've worked with and stuff, it's usually been really, like, water wave is one of the worst qualities. Like, it always comes really dried out and shit. But surprisingly, this is like the prettiest, like, softest water wave hair that I've ever come across. Yeah, I'm gonna put some better towel too. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look for the tutorial. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the hair. Comment down below more companies you guys want to see me try. I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see how the lace is. So this is how the lace looks. It's pretty good. I don't really over bleached my knots and it still came out super nice and a really good quality. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.